Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to your text on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from your desktop application shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up the article which you want to listen to. Now once you open up your document, in order to listen to your document, you will need to install an extension. In order to do this, simply click on the Extensions tab at the top section and then click on Add-ons. From the Add-ons page, click on Get Add-ons and then simply search for Text-to-Speech. From there, you will be able to find various text-to-speech applications, so go ahead and select either one of them and click on the Install button. You can then scroll through the Continue button and then allow access to your account. And now the extension has been installed. You can close this menu. And now if you go into the Extensions tab again, you will be able to find the Read Aloud Text-to-Speech option. Simply click on Open Sidebar. And now all you need to do is select your desired text, choose your desired voice, select the speed and the pitch, and click on the play button.
Retiring early is a dream that many people share, but it can be challenging to achieve.
Retiring early is a dream that many people share, but it can be challenging to achieve.
And there you have it. That is how easy it is to listen to your text on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.